Hello, in this video, I want to discuss the agency billing type, agency bill 100%, meaning that the agency is going to invoice the insured for their monthly installment or quarterly installments, for example. I'm going to divide this up into a couple of videos just because this is the most time intensive billing agency billing transaction. But I want to start with the policy. So I'm in my insured and I see my policy here in the middle of the screen to the left of the policy. I'm going to select actions and then endorsement/commissions, endorsement fees, taxes. Now, there isn't anything here, so I'm going to actions and add endorsement/fee. I'm just going to save this for a quick moment because I want to show you if there was something already here, even though there's no numbers in here, you will definitely want to go to, instead of add new, which would be adding another endorsement, you want to build out this order 0. So I'm going to actions, and edit endorsement/fee. And then I'm picking the agency bill 100%. I'm going to put in my premium, something like this 4. And then now, after I've entered in the premium, I'm going to add any non-premium from the add item and fee/tax to the right of the premium line. So fee/tax, let's just add a surplus lines tax. And then I'm going to the top, add item to the right of the premium line, fee/tax, and then let's add a surplus lines tax. A stamp fee. One last item, agency fee. Agency fee is agency revenue in addition to commission. If you're working with a broker, we're going to add item, fee/tax, and then here, broker MGA fee. You're going to select from this pull down menu broker, and it identifies the MGA fee so that it's clearly identifiable. And then, okay, and then just one moment. Okay, I just wanted to recap. I'm choosing the agency bill 100% billing type. I've added my premium. And then to the right of my premium, I went to add item, fee/tax, and did that for each of these non-premium line items.